This Paramount Homes Real Estate Company property video is presented by Laura Dobbins. Looking for a huge yard? Look no further. This home is move-in ready and waiting for you. This 3-bed, 2-bath home features a split floor plan, offering the master bedroom on one side of the house and the guest/kids bedrooms on the other side. Under the master bedroom, accessible by a trapdoor, is plenty of storage. You won't have to climb into your attic to store away those decorations you aren't using anymore. This kitchen doesn't disappoint with its cabinet space and gas stove. Enjoy cookouts or yard fun? There's space for that. This home sits on 5 lots, just under ½ acre, in Chisholm School District. Call today for your appointment to view. This property qualifies for USDA Rural Development. For more information, review the details below or contact Laura.